How to add follow button on your Facebook page. So first off is to open the Facebook application. Then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the upper right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. Now scroll down until you find this section, Audience and Visibility. Select how people can find and contact you. Now tap the drop-down arrow button beside Who can send you friend request. Make sure to select Friends of Friends. Go back, and then tap on Posts. Tap the button beside Who can see your future post, and select Public. Go back again, and then tap on Followers and Public Content. Tap the button beside Who can follow me, and make sure to select Public. Now to see how your Facebook profile would look like, all you have to do is go back, then tap on your Facebook page, tap the ellipsis icon beside Edit Profile, and select View As. So now this is how your Facebook page would look like. As you can see, the follow button is now visible. And so that is how you add follow button on your Facebook page. Thank you and have a great day.